With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Here we have the antenna. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. It's time to remove the broken screen. Before glue the new screen, you must check if the screen is working properly. We apply industrial adhesive glue depending of the color of the device. Now we return with the assembly process. Now it's time to check if the device works properly.